Alright, ladies and gents, to begin with, in order you need your photocopy, and if you're going to continue your ink drawing, I mean this is a cool picture. I don't know how well you can see it there. And you need a scale to be done. You're going to pick 4 of those, and I've got a few of these options out here. Of course, there's hatching, which is straight lines, and if you're going to do straight lines, please use a straight edge. Then there's cross hatching, which ultimately gets darker as you cross it over. So you gotta start out really light. And then there's points you can choose from, and then there's gesture. And gesture can take on a very organic form, or it can be very geometric. It's up to you. And then there's something, there's text, but there's something that you should bring to the table as well. And no matter what you choose, if you're working in ink, the closer the lines get to each other, or the dots, or whatever it is, the darker it gets. And so you can create this scale between white, 1, 2, 3, and black. You notice that 2 is almost a 50% blend of paper and ink. 1 is a quarter, so there's 25%, 50%, and then 75%. The 3 is pretty much very close to a black. But what you notice is that they're even steps, and usually people go too light until they get into a black. So make sure you take care of that, and there's a gradual change as it goes between 1, 2, 3. So there's your scale. So you need to do 4 of those. Unlike this scale where I've gone in different styles, you need to go either all dots for one, all hatching for another, all cross hatching, gesture, or whatever it is you choose. You're going to do 4 of those. And you can see they're not very big. If we put them next to the pen here, I haven't done. The point isn't to make a whole bunch of work. So the point is just to get you to actually understand and register the fact that there's these different tones that are there. So there you go, and those are the tools that you're going to need here in the near future, as well as a straight edge, if you choose to do some lines that are in there. The Sharpie is well worth its money. The dots are much easier to make. The Bic pen is for toning out or choosing your islands or your bubbles. And of course a pencil is for the back of the page. It can be just a regular pencil. And what you're going to do is, in the image, now I haven't done all of it because the background is white. So as you can see here, we got hair going through there, so I do want to have some pencil underneath the hair. But I'm basically filling out as smooth as I possibly can with my pencil. I'm filling this thing out and just going smooth. I don't want to leave any gaps anywhere. This is not pitch black. And I'm going through the whole image. So I get a nice smooth solid gray, and it's going to go through the image though. So up here, of course, I'm not going to need any except for where the hair goes. And likewise, I don't need to waste my time filling in the background if there's nothing to fill in. Okay? And I'll see you in a minute once we get drawing.